Situated on the shores of Lake Amatitlán, Guatemala, this home presents a harmonious blend of bold shapes and the use of natural materials. Inspired by the world of polo and equestrian elements, the design exudes a strong yet elegant character. The main structure uses brown steel and compacted earth walls, creating a balance between durability, aesthetics, and sustainability. Every corner of the house is designed to strengthen the connection between the interior and exterior spaces, creating a living experience that is open, bright, and in tune with the surrounding landscape. Large openings and smooth transitions between the interior and exterior allow natural light and cool breezes from the lake to flow freely throughout the space. Inside, an open layout connects the social areas without rigid partitions. The living room, kitchen, and dining room come together as one dynamic unit, providing flexibility in the use of space. High ceilings further emphasize the sense of spaciousness, while the combination of wood and metal materials creates a warm and elegant atmosphere. The equestrian-inspired decor is a distinctive element that enriches the character of the house. The art collection and equestrian equipment are not just decorations, but part of the design narrative that reflects the personality of its inhabitants. More than just a place to live, this house is a tangible expression of the lifestyle and identity of its owners. Every element is carefully designed to support personal activities and interests, making it a place that is not only comfortable but also meaningful. By combining natural materials, open spaces, and design elements rooted in a love of art and tradition, this house proves that architecture can be a bridge between humans, nature, and the stories they want to realize in their daily lives.